I wanted to make this mechanical keyboard to wireless conversion for a long time, but I had no idea how to connect the circuits, I mean the switches in a specific circuit, to the electronics of the Logitech keyboard. So I finally came up with an idea. This is half of a plug that has indents at every millimeter or something to put the wires in. So I just laid the wires on top of it and put on hot glue. So now you can see I have a kind of a plug thing. Unfortunately, the spacing between the wires wasn't perfect. This is bigger. You need bigger spacing. And also that's the case for most keyboard electronics, so this won't fit. That's almost a guarantee. They are usually larger. Now can I find, oh, here it is. This is from a cheaper keyboard. As you can see, this is even larger. The connector is oh boy, more than twice the size. So for this you'd need a different solution, at least twice bigger gaps. But yeah, for this will work. I'll just have to move a few more pins into place, and then as you can see they will match perfectly, and silicone rubber like this will push down on it with this bracket thing that came with the keyboard, 2 screws on the 2 ends, and yeah, connect the batteries here, and hopefully this will fix the problem, and hopefully also this still works. But at this point I'm so committed to this idea that even if this doesn't work, I will buy an identical keyboard and take out the electronics from that, because I delayed this project for 5 years now. I think it's 5 years, and yeah, I'm sick and tired of postponing it more. So yeah, I need to make the rest of the circuitry now, connect all the things to these wires. Hopefully the key rollover or whatever you call it, it's not too bad. It's a Logitech keyboard at the end of the day, so it should be fine, but not as good as a true mechanical keyboard. That's not the best outcome, but this keyboard will be used mostly for typing. So for typing you don't really care. It's important to press 2 keys at once and for them to register, and that's it. Like Control C, copy, paste, like that. So yeah, for gaming I would get a gaming keyboard's electronics. I think this one actually was a gaming keyboard, but rubber membrane gaming keyboard. Yeah. So that's all I have to say for now. I hope I can complete this project in a couple of days. This was the hardest part. Now I just have to wire up the keys, the switches to these wires. That would be kind of complicated because I have to read these sheets and translate them into the new format. The Logitech keyboard has the keys in a slightly different place, so it won't be identical. I have to arrange all that. Hopefully all the keys are present. I think they are. They are just in different places on the Logitech keyboard, so yeah, I have to rewire it for standard, and yeah, hopefully this will work.